So I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to set up and use gestures on this watch. So to set up, go to settings. On the settings page, scroll down to buttons and gestures, tap on that. And then under that, scroll down to gestures. So we have gestures like double pinch, we have shake to dismiss, and we have knock knock. So for double pinch, when you enable, it's basically double pinching on between your index finger and your thumb. So pinch like this twice. So you can actually try it. And when you get it right, your watch will tell you you know how to do it. So it's a double pinch and it tells me I got it right. Now, once you enable it, your watch, as you navigate the interface of the watch, it will show you where you can use the double pinch. So for instance, one place I discovered is the music app. You can actually double pinch like that to play music and double pinch to pause. So you can use that to play and pause. Okay, so that's one way of using that. Now if you go back to the gestures, if you go back there, that is a double pinch. So next we have shake to dismiss, and this one lets you basically rotate your wrist twice. Once you enable it, you can tap on try just to see if it works. So just shake your wrist twice. It has to be quick, and when you get it right, your watch will tell you you got it right. So it says one of the places you can use it is in declining incoming calls or dismissing alerts such as alarms, timers, and reminders. So let's try. So currently we have an incoming call. Let's try the gesture. And as you can see, that call has been declined. So that's basically how to use that particular gesture. The other one is knock knock. Okay, so let's enable it, and then you can select an option or you can select an action for that particular gesture. But before that, let's try it. So it's you're basically doing a knock knock movement with your hand as if you're knocking on a door like this. So but with a wrist like this. Okay, so let's try it. Knock knock, and it will let you know when you get it right. Okay, so knock knock again, and I got it right once again. So now that I know how to do it, I can now go to select an option and select what happens when I do it. So by default, it's set to open exercises. I can scroll through this entire list and find something to do. So let's say I want to open messages or the music app. Okay, so I can select music, and now whenever I do the knock knock gesture, it opens the music app. Okay, so that's basically how to set up and use gestures on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.